In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and off autocorrect or auto replace on your Samsung when you're typing. Simple and easy. Let's move to our settings. Good. On our settings, we scroll to the bottom here. Good. And you can see general management. Just open that. Good. So that's where you're going to see our keyboard. So now let's tap on our keyboard here. And then Samsung keyboard, just tap on that. So here we can switch the language and everything, but then the main motive of this video is autocorrect and auto replace. So you can see auto replace here. So this on here and this off. Yeah. And it's set to UK. The reason why it's set to UK is because my languages and the types is set to UK. And also now let's talk about the autocorrect. So auto replace. That's the auto replace. So the spell check is going to do the autocorrect for you. So when you're typing and you make a mistake, it autocorrects it. That's a spell check. So we turn that to on. And that's it. We are done with the autocorrect and the auto replace on our keyboard on Samsung. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. That's it for the video. Peace.